Now we will be installing Kafka service into the cluster, and this service will have Kafka broker, and Kafka broker will be responsible for storing the Kafka topic partitions. And Zookeeper is a very important component for Kafka, and Zookeeper stores lot of metadata of Kafka, like topic partitions, and many other details like controller node, and many other details. So basically Zookeeper is already running right now, which is storing metadata of Kafka. And now we just need to install Kafka service into the cluster. The prerequisite for installing Kafka service is already there, that is Zookeeper. So let's do that. So we'll go to add service wizard, and we will select Kafka here, and then we'll go to the next step. So we'll be assigning roles. So there is only one machine, so we can simply say that this machine will be broker machine, and gateway machine, we are again the same machine we are specifying for gateway. So we are not using mirror maker here, because mirror maker is used when we are having multiple clusters, and we want to transfer data from one cluster to another cluster, then mirror maker is used. So we are not using that in this case. So we'll move to the next part, which is like reviewing the changes. And here everything looks fine except this small thing, like we just changed the heap size of the broker to 2 gigs. So we are installing Kafka. Okay, it's all set. We are going to the next step, and then we will see the summary. So Kafka installation is done, but we want to test this this installation. If you scroll down, you will see Kafka is all set. So we will test this Kafka installation by creating a topic, and you can see we are specifying this command Kafka-topics and create. We are giving Zookeeper address, and as I mentioned, Zookeeper is storing the topic information of Kafka, and then we are specifying replication factor as 1 because it's one machine cluster, and then number of partitions are 1, and topic is test. So we are getting test topic, and we can see like there is a problem here. The problem is there is an error, and this error is saying that invalid replication factor. So there seems to be some problem. So let's see how can we fix it. So we are going to now Zookeeper client, and we will first validate if everything is fine in Zookeeper or not. So we will log in into we have logged in into Zookeeper. This is Zookeeper shell, this Zookeeper client, and here you can see ls slash and Kafka directory is there. So we will do ls in the Kafka directory. Let's see what is there. Kafka broker, we have id, so we will just go inside this IDs directory and see there is one ID which is already present here. So that means broker is already registered with Zookeeper. So this configuration looks good. So let's see where is the issue. So let's go back and run the command again. So we are just fixing this command. So here if you just see the command has been fixed, and we just specified slash Kafka, and now there is no error as such. So we just executed the command, and you can see the topic has been created, and this topic is so we just need to give Kafka slash Kafka here. So you can see we are just giving slash Kafka here, and we can list the topics through Zookeeper. And if you note, then test is already listed